Hello, this is Dr. Toller. The purpose of this video is to very quickly show you how to add the data analysis ToolPak to an Excel spreadsheet. If you have already downloaded the statistical toolkit from the course, you can open it up. If not, you can download it now and follow along with me. I'm going to open this up, and the purpose of this is to show you how to add it to Excel. Before I do that, however, I want to point out the fact that oftentimes when you open an Excel spreadsheet, especially if it's been created by someone else, there is a button in the very top just below the command ribbon that says Enable Editing. Until you press that Enable Editing, you'll not be able to make any changes to the spreadsheet. So always look for that and make sure you click on Enable Editing so that you can make changes to the spreadsheet. The tool that we want to add is going to go into the Data tab of the command ribbon, and you can see I've erased it from my spreadsheet so we can demonstrate how to add it. Two different ways to add it. I'm just going to show you one today. First, click on File. Next, click on Options. And next, click on Add-ins. When the Excel Options window opens, click on Add-ins. And what we want to add is the Analysis ToolPak. There are two different ToolPaks here. We're just going to use the most basic Analysis ToolPak. And you want to click on Go at the very bottom. Not OK, but click Go. For the add-ins window, simply check the Analysis ToolPak and click OK. As you notice, this will add the Data Analysis ToolPak option on the Data tab. If you click on that, the Data Analysis option, which we won't get into in detail now, contains a number of analysis tools. Most of them are statistical tools. The one we'll be using most often will be the descriptive statistics, correlation, covariance, and a few others that are listed here. But I just wanted to show you how to add this to your Excel spreadsheet. And you can do this for any Excel spreadsheet. Once you have added it, when you save a spreadsheet, it should continue to be visible the next time you open the spreadsheet. If not, you can simply go through those steps again to add it. This takes the place of the Excel minor ToolPak that was featured in the Business Statistics textbook by Anderson, Sweeney, Williams, and others.